Struggling with high blood pressure? What if you could lower it naturally without medication? Imagine controlling your blood pressure just by adding a few simple foods to your diet. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful evidence-based foods that can significantly help manage your blood pressure and improve your heart health. From a surprising juice to a delicious treat, you won't believe how easy it is. Stay tuned, because these simple changes might just transform your health and life.
One of the most important things that you can do to live longer and to avoid heart disease, strokes, or kidney disease is to maintain a normal blood pressure. Now, there's lots of medications available to lower your blood pressure, but these medications should only be used as a last resort, as they all have their side effects and they can drop your blood pressure too low. So in this video, I'll give you the top 5 foods that you need to eat to start lowering your blood pressure today and to come off blood pressure medications down the road. Hi, I'm Dr. Leonid, board certified in obesity and internal medicine, and on this channel I discuss the most up-to-date and evidence-based information on the topics of metabolic health, weight loss, and longevity. Let's get into it. The first food that has quite a bit of evidence for effectively reducing your blood pressure is beetroot juice. And beets are very rich in nitrates, and these inorganic nitrates get converted to bioactive nitrites that help dilate our blood vessels. And it's through this vasodilation of the blood vessels that we lower the vascular resistance that causes high blood pressure. And that in turn enhances the blood flow circulation and helps our vessels deliver more nutrients and oxygen to our organs. A meta-analysis from placebo-controlled, double-blind, randomized controlled trials showed that inorganic nitrate and beetroot juice supplementation was associated with a significant decrease in blood pressure, with an average reduction of systolic blood pressure of 4.4 millimeters mercury. And this meta-analysis showed there was no difference in taking beetroot juice versus inorganic nitrate supplements. Now, that's a very impressive reduction in blood pressure, especially as a result of a natural compound that doesn't have the side effects of most blood pressure medications. But it is important to note that the trials were limited to a maximum of only 15 days. And we do need longer and larger trials to study the long-term effects and protective benefits.
Did you know that beetroot juice is one of the most powerful natural remedies for lowering blood pressure? Packed with nitrates, it helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can significantly reduce high blood pressure. And that's just the first on our list. Want to know the other 4 powerful foods that can help keep your blood pressure in check? Keep watching. Number 5 might surprise you.
The next food that will help you naturally lower your blood pressure is dark chocolate, specifically the dark chocolate that is rich in flavanols. Cocoa flavonoids are anti-inflammatory, and they exert antioxidant effects to protect the blood vessels. And they do this by increasing nitric oxide bioavailability, which in turn protects the vascular endothelium, or the lining of the blood vessels where damage usually occurs. A Cochrane review and meta-analysis of 35 trials showed moderate quality evidence that flavanol-rich chocolate causes a small but a statistically significant drop in blood pressure of about 2 millimeters mercury. The problem with the data is that it included trials that lasted anywhere from 2 to 18 weeks, and the doses range all over the place, anywhere from 30 to 1,000 milligrams of flavanols. So it's hard to tell how much of dark chocolate you need to eat and for how long to get the full benefits.
Want a delicious way to lower your blood pressure? Dark chocolate might be the answer. Studies show that dark chocolate rich in cocoa flavonoids can help relax your blood vessels and improve blood flow, naturally reducing your blood pressure. And that's just number 2 on our list. Stick around to discover 3 more powerful foods that can help keep your blood pressure in check.
Another food that will help you lower your blood pressure is not a food, but it's actually a drink. And we have evidence that regular consumption of either green or black tea at 2 to 6 cups per day is associated with a significant reduction in blood pressure. A systematic review and meta-analysis of 25 studies showed that long-term intake of green tea lowers systolic blood pressure by 2.6 millimeters and diastolic blood pressure by 2.2 millimeters mercury in those drinking it for longer than 12 weeks. Now, green tea does provide a greater effect on your blood pressure than black tea, and is probably related to its higher content of phytochemicals in its leaves, which in animal studies has been shown to reduce inflammation, reduce reactive oxygen species in the blood vessels, and it has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity.
Did you know that drinking green or black tea can help lower your blood pressure naturally? These teas are rich in antioxidants that promote better blood circulation and relax your blood vessels, helping to reduce high blood pressure over time. And we're not done yet. 2 more powerful foods can make a big difference in your heart health. Keep watching to find out what they are.
The next food that is crucial to naturally lower your blood pressure is flaxseed. Flaxseed is extremely rich in omega-3 polyunsaturated fatty acids, and a meta-analysis of 70 randomized controlled trials showed that the consumption of omega-3s like EPA and DHA can reduce systolic blood pressure by up to 4.5 millimeters and diastolic blood pressure by 3 millimeters mercury. And the greatest effect was seen among those who had untreated blood pressure. Flaxseed is also full of magnesium and soluble fiber, and both of those have been shown to lower blood pressure. Other food sources that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids is cold water fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, and many nuts, especially walnuts.
Here's a superfood that can naturally lower your blood pressure: flax seeds. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, flax seeds help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, making them a powerful ally for heart health. And we're not done yet. There's still one more powerful food that can help keep your blood pressure in check. Keep watching to find out what it is.
Lastly, eating kiwis has also been shown to reduce systolic blood pressure. In a recent randomized controlled trial showed that the group that ate 2 kiwi fruit per day for 7 weeks had almost a 3 millimeter reduction in systolic blood pressure when compared to placebo. Kiwis are very rich in vitamin C, and there's a lot of studies that show that proper vitamin C levels are very important for blood pressure regulation. Like this meta-analysis of 29 trials noted that getting at least 500 milligrams of vitamin C per day over a period of 8 weeks had an average lowering of blood pressure by almost 5 millimeters of mercury. Now there's many more foods that can help you lower your blood pressure naturally, but these are the top 5 that I would recommend to start. I also want to emphasize that to effectively lower your blood pressure is just as important to know which foods to avoid, and it's also important to reverse conditions that raise our blood pressure like insulin resistance. And last but not least, we cannot neglect other important tools like proper and restorative sleep and targeted movement and exercise.
Lowering your blood pressure naturally doesn't have to be complicated. By simply adding these 5 powerful evidence-based foods to your daily routine, like beetroot juice, dark chocolate, green or black tea, flax seeds, and omega-3 rich foods, you can significantly improve your heart health. Small changes in your diet can lead to big results in managing your blood pressure. Taking care of your health starts with the choices you make every day. Incorporating these natural foods into your meals can make a huge difference in keeping your blood pressure under control and promoting overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. So start small, stay committed, and you'll see the benefits over time. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based health tips and natural remedies. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue bringing you valuable content to improve your health and lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay inspired.